As the next part, we are going to include an image in our web page. So here I am going to click before the opening tag of body and press the enter key. Then here I am going to type opening bracket img space src equals to double quotes. Then minimize this window. Double click and open the home folder, and there school resources folder and standard 9 images. So here I am going to add the image of the circle.png. So right click on it, then choose the option properties. Then here I have to copy this parent folder location. So click drag and maximize the window, so we'll get the entire parent folder location. So from here we have to click drag and select the location of it, then right click copy, then from the bottom maximize the text editor window, then here we have to right click paste. Then after this we have to give a backward slash as what we see here. Then again maximize the images window, and there we have to select the file name circle.png, then right click copy, then close this window, then maximize the text editor window, and here we have to paste the balance of it, then and double quotes. Then if you want to give a specific size to this image, we can also give here. So first we will save this. So give the closing bracket, then we will save this file, save as. Here I am giving the file name as program 4.html. Then click on the save button, then minimize this window, double click and open the home folder, then studentworks 9 folder, and there program 4.html. So here we can see the image what we have included is here. So it is a bigger size image. So we want to specify a size to the image. So again open the text editor. Here we have to give the tag br. So opening bracket br, closing bracket. Then here we are going to give the height and width. So before the closing bracket we have to click, then leave a space height equals to, I am giving 150, then space width equals to 150. So now we will save this. So click on file, then save, then maximize the Mozilla Firefox window, then here we will click on reload current page. So here we can see the size of the image has been reduced to 150 into 150. So next we will give a hyperlink. So here we have to give br, opening bracket br, closing bracket, then enter key. So here we are going to give a hyperlink. So opening bracket a space href equals to double quotes. Then minimize this window, then double click and open the home folder, then school resources folder, standard 9. So here we are selecting the short story as a hyperlink. So right click on it, select the option properties, then click drag and enlarge this window so that we will get the full parental location. So click drag and select the parent folder location, then right click copy and maximize the text editor window, and here right click paste. Then we have to give a backward slash, then again we have to maximize the resources folder, then here we have to choose the file name, then right click copy, again maximize the text editor window, then right click paste. So then give the double quotes, then give the closing bracket. So as it is a hyperlink, we have to give a name there. So here I am giving the name as short story. Then opening bracket /a closing bracket. So here in the hyperlink, A is the tag and href means reference, that is which link we are pasting here. So its reference is given here as href, that is hyperlink reference. So here A is the tag of hyperlink, we are closing opening bracket /a closing bracket here. So here we'll say this file, save, then we will open home folder and their standard 9 folder and their program 4.html. So here we can see we got a hyperlink here as short story, and as we move our mouse we can see the mouse pointer shape is changing as it comes to the word short story. So here we will click on it, then we got another window, so there we can click on the OK button. So now we can see the file what we have linked has been opened. In the same way we can add images or videos or anything here as a hyperlink.